Life on that line. LOL.
The hair that I'll be using this evening is Bobbi Boss hair in the color 1 and Freetress water wave crochet hair in the color 1. This is the sizing that I'm going for with my braids, and I'm pulling apart the water wave hair to use maybe 4 to 5 pieces for each one of my braids. Let's get started. I'm parting my hair straight down the middle and I'm sectioning off one side. I'm parting my hair in a vertical position. The width of the parts will be slightly wide because I'm aiming for 8 braids, which is 4 on each side. Every time that I do my braids, I separate my edges, and I'm using Ampro Pro Styling Gel this time. I figured that I try a more cheaper brand of gel, because I know a lot of times people aren't able to get a $9.99 or a $12.99 thing of gel. That stuff, a lot of people aren't fortunate enough, and I know how it is. So I'm just using this as an example to show you guys that you can use whatever type of products, you know. It doesn't matter the price, or it doesn't matter if there's a hype about a product, but you'll eventually get the same results. I mean, some products are better than others, but you can definitely get the job done using this gel. This was a gel that I grew up using. Everybody used this gel. This is like a $1 or $2 in your local beauty supply. So now I'm adding the Freetress water wave hair in, and you guys know that I have only 2 hands and I have to separate it, and I put it on top of my lip to separate it, because this is a DIY, and I'm gonna continuously put the hair around my lip when I'm trying to plait it and braid it out, because I want to braid it into the braid and then separate it piece by piece, and I'm gonna do that for at least 5 times, because I want this hair to be like curly, have the curl effect all the way down. And now I'm going to go in on the second braid, and I'm gonna basically do the same exact thing, you guys. I like to grease my scalp with you know, any type of oil or grease, coconut oil or whatever, just to make sure that my hair is hydrated. I'm always doing my hair, so I'm trying to make sure that it's greased, and I'm going to continuously do this same method. Everybody is wearing pop smoke braids, so I decided to do pop smoke braids with a little twist. They have different designs now, and I wanted to try this out with Freetress hair because I thought that it would look very, very pretty, and I was very, very happy with the end result. for watching. If you want to keep up with me, hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell.